Hello everybody and welcome to the Creatrix YouTube channel. I welcome you all in a fresh session of analog electronics. And my dear friends, when I say we are going to learn analog electronics from the very basic, I mean it. We will be learning from the very basic level to the very advanced level along with a lots and lots of questions. So before we do that, let me first introduce myself for my friend who is meeting me for the first time. My dear friends, my name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded the President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. But my dear friends, the reason behind this series is because of the huge demand of analog electronics and the belief that whenever you ask for anything, we are there to deliver. Yes, my dear friends, we are here for you. We are here delivering for you. And when we say it, we will support you to the very fullest level. And this series will help you crack GATE with the top rank. It will enable ECE student to get 12 out of 12 and 5 out of 5 for electrical students. So my dear friends, if you want to learn with us live, then you can join an academy using the code AnkitESE to get an immediate 10% discount. And not only, my dear friend, 10% discount, it also brings you under my guidance so that I can help you do something that I have done. I can at least take you near to this goal. Okay. So if you also dream the same thing, then join me in this journey on an academy subscription using the code AnkitESE. Now, my dear friend, if you like the content that I deliver, you can watch more of my free videos on this URL, tinyurl.com/AnkitESE. Here you will find all my videos arranged subject-wise, chapter-wise, and you will find great content for free. And you are definitely going to love it. You are definitely going to enjoy. It not only includes conceptual videos, but it also includes problem-solving sessions. So just visit this once and you will fall in love with this URL. Don't forget it. It is a lifeline for you. And if you love the content that we are delivering on YouTube, we have created the first ever video book for you guys, where you will find all the videos along with all the notes that we provide arranged subject wise, chapter wise. So now, my dear friends, your dreams are no longer dreams. They are becoming a reality because you are getting a top quality course, well arranged, well structured, and that too for free. So what can be better than that? What can be better than that? Nothing, my dear friends. So we have empowered the dreams of those who earlier used to think that only the person with a huge amount of money can crack GATE with a top rank. No, my dear friends, that is not the case. Even you can do. Even you can do it. But yes, just you need to believe in yourself and visit this link. But remember, this is a case sensitive link, so write this in uppercase. Other than that, if you join plus subscription, you get all the top educators like me teaching you live in daily lectures, along with providing you daily practice paper, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, crash course, rank improvement batch, and most importantly, clearing your each and every doubt. So if you join plus subscription, it is an entire world inside it. So you don't have to look outside. Once you enter plus, every need of yours will be taken care of, and we will make your journey as smooth as possible towards that destination of getting under 100, under 10 rank. Believe me, my friend, you leave that strategy part to us. You leave the content part to us. You just work hard and we will make sure that you obtain the top rank in GATE and ESE. And Iconic is a big brother of Plus. Yes, this is a little brother. So Iconic gives you everything that the Plus subscription gives, along with much more. The major part of Iconic is this personal coach, a person dedicated to you on a daily basis to get you the top rank, guiding you, getting your schedule design, making your strategy. Everything that you need to get the top rank is being done by this personal coach. He'll also create a study planner for you, which you can follow blindly and reach your destination with utmost ease. They will be analyzing your test result and tell you where you are lacking, how you can improve. So that way, my dear friend, everybody else will get a standard analysis, but you will get an analysis just tailor-made for you. Along with it, we have included study material additionally, theory and question bank, and soon we'll be introducing interview guidance into this. So this will become a complete package for a student who wants to take that journey from being an average student to sitting into a PSU or a MTech seat. So for them, this journey will be just like driving a Lamborghini to work. So that sort of a experience, that sort of a royal experience we are going to give you. So let's move on to the lecture, and if you want to join Unacademy, just make sure you use the code AnkitESE to get my guidance as well as to get 10% over and above whatever Unacademy offers you. So now let's move on to the lecture, dear friends, and let's see what we have in store for you.
Hi guys, in the last lecture I told you about the hybrid pi model of BJT. So in this video what we'll do is, we'll make use of that model and I'll show you how to calculate amplifier parameters such as input impedance, output impedance and the voltage gain. Okay. So let us start with the first problem. If the transistor parameter are beta equal to 180, early voltage 140, transistor is biased at ICQ equal to 2 milliampere, find the hybrid pi parameter Gm R pi R naught assuming Vt equal to 25.9 millivolt. Now we know that the output resistance of BJT R naught is VA over ICQ. VA is the early voltage, that is 140. ICQ is 2 milliampere. So this ratio comes out to be 70 kilo ohm. Then we know that the transconductance expression Gm is equal to ICQ over the thermal voltage Vt, that is 2 milliampere by 25.9 millivolt. So it will come out to be 0.077 ampere per volt, and the last parameter R pi, that is the forward resistance of base emitter junction, it is beta by Gm, that is 180 by 0.077, which will come out to be how much? 2.33 kilo. So these three expressions you always need to remember, and for using these expressions we need to perform DC analysis on a BJT, and then only we can find the amplifier parameter. Next problem, it says consider the circuit shown below. We know beta equal to 120, Vt 25.9, Va equal to infinity. We need to find hybrid pi parameter and the small signal voltage gain. Now first of all, I will now perform DC analysis because ICQ is not given. If ICQ is given, we don't need to perform DC analysis. For DC analysis, we will short circuit AC source. So when we short circuit AC source, there will only be a DC source, then a 250 kilo ohm resistor, then we have a BJT, volt 4 kilo ohm. Now what I'll do is I'll apply KVL in this loop. So what I'll write, 2 minus this current will be IB into 250. Base emitter drop will be taken as 0.7. So IB will be 1.23 by 250 kilo ohm, that is 5.2 micro ampere. What we need is the Q point collector current, which is beta IB. So 120 into 5.2. Okay. So 120 into 5.2. So it will come out to be 0.624 milliampere. Once we have IC, I can calculate all the parameter. First of all, R naught, VA by ICQ. Since early voltage is given as infinite, this R naught is infinity, or you can say open circuited. Then the next parameter, GM, that is ICQ by VT, 0.624 by 25.9 millivolt. So this GM will be 0.024 ampere per volt. Then this resistance R pi, it is beta by GM, 120 by 0.024. So it will come out to be how much? 5 kilo ohm. Once we have all these parameters, what I'll do is I'll go to AC analysis. Now when we go for AC analysis, what we'll do is we will short circuit DC source. When we short circuit DC source, what we'll have is the AC source in series with the resistance. The resistance in series is equal to 250 kilo ohm. Then we have reached the base terminal. If you see, we have reached the base terminal. Between base and ammeter, we have a resistance which is equal to R pi. The voltage across this resistance is V pi. This is ammeter. Now see that ammeter is directly connected to ground. So ammeter is connected to ground. Then between collector and ammeter, we have a current source GM V pi. This is collector. R naught is infinity, so it will be open. Then you will ground this VCC. When we ground this VCC, 4 kilo ohm is connected between collector and ground. So this 4 kilo ohm will be connected between collector and ground. And this voltage is V0. Now what it is asking us to find is the small signal voltage gain. So now see that the current GM V pi will be flowing like this, but V0 polarity is opposite. So what I'll write, V0 is minus GM V pi into 4 kilo ohm. What is this V pi now? V pi can be derived from Vs by voltage division. V pi is Vs into R pi by R pi plus Rs. R pi is how much? 5 kilo ohm, and Rs is given as 250. Okay, which means V0 is minus GM into 4000 into 5 by 255 Vs, or you can say V0 by Vs. GM we calculated just now, it was 0.024 into 4000 into 5 by 255. So it will come out to be 1.88. Okay, that is minus 1.88 will be the voltage gain, and if it is asking only the magnitude, you will write as plus 1.88. Okay, moving on. In the next problem, it is saying, given that the amplifier has beta equal to 60, R naught equal to 20 kilo ohm, Vt equal to 26 millivolt, we need to find output impedance and voltage gain. Since collector current is not given, we will perform DC analysis. Okay. So when we perform DC analysis, we will open circuit the capacitor. If you open circuit the capacitor, how will the circuit look like? This is 220 kilo ohm, 2.2 kilo ohm. Now how you will apply KVL? You will apply like this. This current will be the base current IB, and this voltage drop here will be 0.7. So when we apply KVL, I write 12 minus 220 IB minus 0.7 equal to 0. So IB will be 11.3 by 220. Okay. And what about IC? IC will be beta IB, that is 60 into 11.3 by 220. Okay. So that means how much current will come? 3.08 milliampere. That will be the collector current. Based on this, we will find the amplifier parameters. First of all, R0 is directly given. We don't need to find it. So first of all, I will find GM. GM is ICQ by VT. 3.08 milliampere by 26 millivolt. Milli will get cancelled. So this GM will come out to be 0.118 ampere per volt. What about R pi? R pi will be beta by GM. So beta is 60 by 0.118. So how much will this R pi come? 508.47 ohm. So these are the amplifier parameter. Based on this, I will form the AC model. In AC model, when you are forming the AC model, what you will do? Short circuit capacitor and ground VCC, which is given as 12 volt. So what I will do is, I will short circuit the capacitor. So Vin will be like this. Then we have reached the base terminal. Between base and ammeter, what I will show? R pi, which has a voltage V pi. Now this is ammeter terminal. Now see, ammeter is directly grounded. So ammeter is grounded. Between collector and ammeter, I will show a current source. GM V pi. This is collector. R0 is given as 20 kilo ohm. Always remember, never connect R0 with ground. It will always be in parallel with GM V pi. Even if this is not ground, it will always be in parallel with GM V pi. Next, let us talk about other resistances. If we ground this, then this 220 kilo ohm is connected between base and ground. So 220 kilo ohm is connected between base and ground. See this, this is collector, this is ground. So 2.2 is between collector and ground. Okay. Now this is V0. Now what we need to find is output impedance and voltage gain. Now see this. These two resistances are connected here and their lower terminal is grounded. So what you can say? They are in parallel. So what is the output resistance? Output resistance is 2.2 in parallel with 20 kilo ohm. So 2.2 in parallel with 20 kilo ohm, it will come out to be 1.98 kilo ohm. Now since this is 1.98, what I will do is I will remove this resistance and I will replace it by a single resistance here, 1.98 kilo ohm. Now this V0 is opposite. This current is going like this. So plus minus will be opposite to the given polarity. So V0 is minus GM V pi into R0. Now as you can see, this 220 kilo ohm and R pi are in parallel. If they both are in parallel, you can say V pi is equal to V in, which means V0 by V in. V pi will get cancelled, minus GM R0, and GM we just now derived as 0.118 and R0 is 1980. I have converted it to ohms. So it will come out to be minus 234.87. Okay. That is the voltage gain of this amplifier is high. It is approximately 250, or you can say it is very high. We will now apply the same method to the third problem. It is saying consider an amplifier circuit shown in the figure. The transistor parameter beta is given, Vt is given. We need to now find input impedance and voltage gain. Again, collector current is not given, so I will perform DC analysis. For DC analysis, what we will do is we will open circuit capacitor. When we open circuit the capacitor, then this will be 10 volt, 372 kilo ohm, 4K, 10 volt. Okay, this is V0. Now when you are performing DC analysis, what you will do? First we will apply KVL like this. So what I will say? 10 minus 372 IB, then base emitter drop 0.7. From this I can calculate IB as 9.3 by 372 milliampere. Now when you talk about collector current, it is beta IB, which is 9300 by 372 milliampere. So it will come out to be how much? This collector current will come out to be 2.5 milliampere. Okay. Now when you calculate GM, GM is ICQ by VT. ICQ by VT will be 2.5 milliampere by 25 millivolt, or you can say 0.1 ampere per volt. What about R pi? Beta by GM, which is 1 kilo ohm. Okay. So once we have the model parameters, and here if you see early voltage is not given. If early voltage is not given, consider it tends to infinity, which means R0 will also be infinite. So for R0, either it should give R0 or it should give us the early voltage. If not given, consider it to be open circuit. So now when we perform AC analysis, what we'll do? We short circuit capacitor and we ground the supply VCC. Okay. And we'll also ground this voltage. So now I'll draw the AC model. When we short circuit the capacitor, this is V in. The 372 kilo ohm resistor will now be grounded. Okay. Because this voltage is now grounded. We have reached the base. This is ammeter. This is collector. You will ground this also. When you ground this, 4 kilo ohm is between collector and ground. Between base and ammeter, first of all, I will show a resistance R pi whose voltage is V pi. This is your ammeter. Between collector and ammeter, I will show a current source GM V pi. Then this is your collector. Since R0 is not given, the R0 will be open circuited. Ammeter is directly connected to ground. And this 4 kilo ohm resistor is connected between collector and ground. This is V0. So the first thing that I need is the input impedance. If I need input impedance, what I will say, input impedance is 372 kilo ohm in parallel with R pi. 372 kilo ohm in parallel with 1 kilo ohm. So it will approximately be 1 kilo ohm, but exactly it will be 0.9973. So you can also write it as 1 kilo ohm. Then the voltage gain. For voltage gain, if you see, the polarity of V0 is like this. but the current is flowing like this, which means plus minus will be opposite. So you can say V0 is minus Gm V pi into 4 kilo ohm. Now since R pi and 372 are in parallel, V pi is Vin. If you take the ratio V0 by Vin, it is minus Gm into 4000. Gm is how much? We just now calculated. Gm was, if you see, 0.1. So minus 0.1 into 4000, it will come out to be minus 400. Okay. That means the voltage gain is high and the negative sign indicates a phase shift of 180 degree. So that is how you can use this model also, or you can use RE model. You can use any model that you like, but remember, hybrid equivalent model will only be used when H parameters are directly given in the problem. Then only use the hybrid equivalent model. Otherwise, always make use of either RE model or the V pi model. Okay. So these two models can be used interchangeably, but at high frequencies practically this hybrid pi model is only used. Okay. So this is all about the AC analysis of BJT. From the next lecture onward, we will start the frequency response of BJT. Thank you.
I hope all of you have enjoyed the lecture that we were providing and all of you learned something very good. Now is the time to learn about the Unacademy subscription. So as I told the benefits of the Plus subscription at the very beginning, let's go through them very quickly. Live classes you get by the top educators, crash course, rank improvement batch, doubt clearing, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, everything in one subscription called as Unacademy Plus. And Iconic is one level higher. It provides you a personal coach who will mentor you on a daily basis, who will guide you on a daily basis, along with providing you study planner, test analysis, study material, and soon enough interview guidance. So if you are looking to join Unacademy, let's see what are the pricing. So my dear friends, before we see the pricing, just see the link. This link will help you crack GATE and ESE with the top rank, because we have created the first ever video book for GATE and ESE for my YouTube family, and you will get the notes as well as the lectures here. Just make sure that you write this link in the uppercase and you will get to the first ever video book for GATE and ESE, and it is nothing but revolutionary. Now let's see the pricing of Plus subscription. So for 12 months the pricing is 3250, but if you apply the code Ankit ESE, it becomes 27225. For 18 months it will be 34650, and for 24 months 39600. Believe me my dear friend, this is the most affordable pricing, and the longer duration subscriptions are more cost effective as compared to shorter duration. Like here it will cost you 1650 per month. Okay, this will be 2000 per month approx. This will be around 2250 per month. Then if you go for Iconic for 12 months, it is 5250. With code Ankit ESE it becomes 45225, and 2-year subscription becomes 66600. So the choice is yours, but take a longer duration subscription for more cost effective solution and to give GATE and ESE at least 2 times, so that if you once crack GATE, in the next attempt you can even get ESE. And other than that my friends, you can download the Unacademy learning app right now, because there we provide live classes for free, test series and live quizzes for free. And once you download it, make sure that you follow this profile. This is my profile, so that whenever I come live, you will get the notification. And this is the Telegram channel for our team. Here you will find all the lecture links, all the lecture files, and all the links for the special classes. Other than that, my friend, my personal Telegram channel also you can join, t.me/GateAIR1. Here you can get in touch with me and we can take this journey together. Okay. Other than that, we have other YouTube channels like Mechanical, Civil and Telugu, JEE channel, Computer Science, Gate Question and Electrical Junction, Pathshala and GS Terminal. Electrical Junction contains short videos of great concepts. Pathshala provides you animated content. JEE preparation can be done through these two channels, Unacademy SSC JEE and GS Terminal. And you can refer the other channels to the other friends in respective branches so that they can also be benefited. At last, I would like to say, please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video comes. And share these videos among all your college group, among all your friends, so that we can create the first ever revolution of free education in field of GATE and ESE. Thank you to everybody for dedicating time to watching this video. Please move on to the next one as well and take the benefit of all the free content that we are providing. And in case you have completed the series, do make sure you watch the other subjects available on this channel. Thank you.